Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, let's start to customize the homepage elements of Click and Capture Studio. Alright, so in the website, right after designing the image sliders, let's scroll down a little bit and here we can see the homepage elements, right? Homepage featured area. Now here I would like to add the images and I want to give the title and then some description about it, and then I will keep a link to the respective page, so whenever the user clicks on read more, they will be redirected to that specific page. Alright, now I do have an example. So in the very first area, I would like to display the client testimonials. So when the user clicks on the client testimonials, they will be able to see all the client testimonials, and if they really like the client testimonials above the Click and Capture Studio, then definitely they will be choosing the Click and Capture Studio either for wedding, model or product photography. Also in the second tab, I want to display the client stories. So whenever the Click and Capture Studio do a wedding photography, a product photography or model photography, they will be uploading the stories behind the work that they have did. So the users will really feel great whenever they see the work done by the Click and Capture Studio. And finally, in the third slide, I would like to place the bouquet session. So if the users are really ready to go for wedding photo shoot or fashion photo shoot or product photo shoot, they will be clicking here and then they will book the service directly from Click and Capture Studio. Now let's directly get into the practical. So first thing, we have to click on customize, and here we have to click on theme options, and here we do have an option called homepage featured. So let me click on that, and here we do have the option to upload the file, which will be a photo, and then we are going to give the title and then the description. So first let me click on select file. Here I have uploaded 3 images, out of which when it comes to client testimonials, I want to select this particular image. So let me click on the image and then let me choose file. As we can see, the image has been popped up here, and here I would like to copy the name client testimonials and I want to copy the description for the client testimonials in order to paste it right here. See what our clients have to say. From weddings to fashion shoots and product photography, our clients share their experiences and thoughts about working with us. So here is the place where we are going to keep the link. So when somebody clicks on read more, it will be redirected directly to the client testimonials. So let me choose client testimonials, and it is so simple. Now let me scroll down a little bit, and in the second area I would like to select the file, and here I would like to choose an image which is going to be this, and let me click on choose file. Alright, so let me scroll down a little bit, and coming back to the notepad, I want to take the copy of the title, which is going to be client stories. I want to paste it, and when it comes to the description, let me quickly take the copy of the notes given by the client and then let me paste it right here. And when it comes to link a page, I want to choose client stories, which is here, and I want to select that. And finally, for the third section, I want to choose one more file, which is going to be this photo. So let me select that, click on choose file, and when it comes to title, let me select from the notepad, which is going to be book a session. And I want to take the copy of the description. Here it is, so I want to paste it right here. Alright, so now I want to click on link to a page, and here I want to choose book a session. Now it is done, we have to click on publish, and let me close this particular tab. And coming back to the website, when I scroll down a little bit, we can clearly see the client testimonials, client stories and book a session homepage elements have been added successfully. Now when I click on read more in the client testimonials, it will take me to the client testimonials page, and when I click on client stories, it will take me to the client stories page. And finally, when I click on book a session, it will take me to the book a session page. I hope you have understand how we can customize the website homepage in just 2 minutes of time. If you really find this video helpful, please continue watching. I will teach you digital marketing in a very easy way, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.